Hi guys, and welcome back. Pretty excited today. My new fuel sender unit has arrived, so I'm going to be fitting this bad boy. Pretty annoyed, to be honest with you, because the bike's only done 4,500 miles, so you'd expect a lot more mileage out of one of these. So stick around and we'll get it fitted. Right, I'll just show you exactly where it goes. So this is a KTM Super Duke GT. So I believe in the old models, or in the adventure ones, the fuel sender unit's actually located on the top of the tank here. But on this is a 2017 model, so what KTM have done to make it a bit harder is they've located it underneath the tank there. So I need to take this paneling off here, and hopefully it's just two Allen bolts what hold it in place. So I've already drained the tank. I've run fuel as low as I can. I've drained what fuel what were left over. So all I'm going to do is hopefully remove this panel here and just drop the sender unit out and bob the new one back in. All being well, see how it goes. Light's a bit crappy in garage. I need to get some better lighting. Right, so if I stick you there, hopefully you can see what I'm doing from this angle. See, this is not going to come all the way off because I need to take all this bloody side paneling off. But if I lift that up there, you can see it there, the sender unit, so it just pops out here. I've kept the bike on the side stand just so what fuel is left in the tank is sloping that way, so this should be pretty much empty there, but I'm just going to get a cloth. Have a look there. I'm just going to get this towel just in case there's a bit of fuelage what drains out. The fuel sender. See the serial number on the old sender unit. Yeah, still recording. Serial number on the old fuel sender unit is 6140708000, and this new fuel sender has been superseded this one. So obviously they've found a fault with this one, or they've upgraded it for whatever reason. But in the new bikes, the new serial number is the same 61407080, but with a 100 on the end. So obviously they've found fault with this one and then they've upgraded it to this one. So what they've done to it, I don't know. We'll see what we get to when we see. They're not very tight at all then. Not very tight at all. Inside this one is a rubber seal, and the rubber seal just sits in that gap there. So I've just got my little designed bottle to catch any drips what will come out of the fuel sender unit. So when I crack this nut open, there's going to be a little bit what comes out, so hopefully this will catch it. This is my own design, this. Details can be found in the links below. This is still dripping a little bit. Obviously it wasn't the float what was stuck, because sometimes you can get a sticky float, so it's definitely got to be some. The resistor inside the sender unit is probably gone. Right, so when you tighten, obviously on the fuel sensor from the bottom, when you're tightening the bolts back up, you don't need to over tighten these, because it's got a rubber seal inside which makes connection inside the grooves here, which seals it from the inside. So don't over tighten these, because it is plastic, this the bottom bit, so just be careful of that. Connect the push fit in back into the new sender unit, and Bob's your uncle. Give everything a bit of a clean. I'll get bike a wash afterwards, but any bit of fuel what's going to spill, it's going to evaporate anyway, so just try and clean it up as best as you can, or catch it in Donna's decent tea towel. And then once you give it a wipe round, get a white paper towel and just go around the seal, just to make sure there's no leaks. Right, so that's sealed, there's no leaks there, there's no petrol coming through, everything's bone dry. So all that's left to do now is put it back together, stick some fuel in it and see if it's worked. So what do you reckon to my design? Huh? £5. See, I thought I'd run it pretty low, but obviously I didn't, because I've drained about 5 litres out of the tank. I know these have got a big reserve light, but I thought I'd run it lower than that. You see, doing stuff like this, it's once you've done it once, you can do it again. So it's just getting to know your bike. Don't be scared to do little bits and bobs. If you think if you're brave enough to take it on and you feel confident in doing it, do it. Save yourself some money. Right, so with any bike, obviously when you run it low and you fuel it up, some are quicker than others, but KTM with these they take from filling up roughly up to 2 minutes to register the fuel in tank. So what you've got to do is take it off side stand, turn it on, and then we'll see if it registers the fuel. Right, I'll just show you. We're back in room. Right, so it's a bit hard but doing it one hand. So bike off side stand, turn it on. There you go, no flashing. It's registered that, it's got 1 bar left in tank. Fuel range 50 mile, so everything's back to normal. Right, so for circa 20 quid, saved myself a couple of £100 by doing it myself. So like I say, if you like a challenge and you're a bit daring and you don't mind tinkering about, save yourself some money and do it yourself. But yeah, this, you can hear the float going, so it won't the sticky float, so inside here it'll be some kind of resistor fault, I don't know, some electrical fault inside this bit here, which is not sending the signal to the dash. So yeah, Pleased with that result. Yes. Right, I'll catch you in the next vid. Stay safe everybody, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. Alright, cheers guys.